still in my pantulog. And Daddy's getting ready for work. So today is gonna be a long, busy day because I have a lot of things to do, really. So kahapon, nag-camping kami. We stayed there for 2 nights. You guys, help me, please. Tulungan niyo ako, guys. Impacking ako para sa Balikbayan. Maglilinis ng kotse kasi ang dumi-dumi ng sasakyan kasi inakyat namin siya sa bundok. And also later, we're gonna take Misha to pick blackberries. Guys, and I'm craving for some mayonnaise at saka may tuna spread. Coffee! It's not as good as yours, but I think it's good.
No problem.
Ding,
Where are we gonna go?
Everywhere.
Where?
No, I have no work today, baby. Guys, labas muna tayo dito sa bakuran namin. But grabe, tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang dami na. Yung iba nasira na. Tingnan nyo, ang dami naming cherry tomatoes. Yung iba nagkakalaglagan na sila, guys. So, ito pa siya. Mamaya aanihin ko na yan. Going to work na, Papa?
I am. No, I'm going to the strip club.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Do that?
Dad!
Bye-bye! So, I'm just going to get ready. I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna do some light makeup. Kasi ilang araw na akong walang ayos-ayos. Usually, pag pumapasok ako sa trabaho, naka-makeup ako. So, pag nasa bahay ako, I really prefer not to put anything on my face other than moisturizer at saka yung mga skincare. I'm here in my makeup room. Sorry kung makalat dito. Naumpisahan ko na nga pala to guys, yung isang box. I started, I think, 2 days ago, bago kami pumunta sa bundok. Tapos, meron pa akong isang box doon na sana magkasya lahat ng ilalagay ko doon. Kung nakikita nyo, parang meron ako ditong hiki. Hindi yun hiki, guys. Pag sobrang mainit, tapos na aarawan siya ng bonggam-bongga, yung direct sun. Tapos, meron din ako dito. Yan, guys. So, yan. Pag direct sun siya, ano siya, guys, nangangate. Tapos, I can stop scratching it. Tapos, yun na. Lumalala na siya. Nagpa-consulta na ako sa doctor ko. Tapos, ito yung gamot na binigay sa akin. Dami ko nang malas. Ayan, ayan. Tapos, meron pa dito. So. So, guys, I'm done. Tackle the world. Let's go pack our Balikbayan box. That's it. That's my life. That's very interesting. So, guys. Oh my God. Marami akong sapatos na ilalagay doon sa box. Hindi ko alam kung magkakasya to, guys. This is all the shoes I'm gonna put. But hindi ko ilalagay yung box. Yung sapatos lang. Hindi pa ako nangangalahate, but I'm already tired. OMG. Kaya ko pa ba to? And, hindi ko alam, guys, kung magkakasya lahat siya dito, but gagawin ko siya ng paraan para magkasya sa lahat sa box. Kasi meron pa akong mga ilalagay. I don't know if this one will fit. Maybe sa ibabaw ko na lang siya ilalagay. Yeah, we'll see. I'm putting the name just to make sure.
So they don't get all mixed up.
Exactly. This is for Tito Bobby.
Who's that for?
They know. It has name in it. Every year din ako nagpapadala ng Balikbayan box sa family ko. Yung uuwi kami, like, mga 2 months before kami umuwi, nagpapadala ako ng Balikbayan box para hindi rin siya mabigat sa bagahe. This time, hindi kasi kami nakauwi because of the pandemic. Dapat uuwi kami nitong July, but unfortunately, hindi kami natuloy. So, magpapabalikbayan box na lang ako sa kanila. Ang kababayan natin na nasa Philippines, guys, pinag-iipunan talaga namin to dito. It takes year. Hindi yung isang bagsakan kasi guys, pag isang bagsakan yun, sobrang mahal. So, all of this, I've saved it. Maybe, inabot din ako ng mga 6 months. Ang tanong, paano ko kaya mapapadala tong mga makeup na to na hindi mababasag? Kasi, it was requested by my sister. What is it? Oh, you found a new friend? Kamukha mo ba, London? Hala, who's that? Natakot! Natakot siya! Oh my God, you guys look alike! You guys look alike! Oh my goodness. This is real? This is fake. Nathan, you wanna go to Philippines? You wanna go to Philippines? Huh? He's like, I don't wanna go to Philippines. It's so hot over there, Mama. I don't think I have enough space kasi maglalagay pa ako ng mga chocolates. Make sure they're empty, okay, baby? I might miss something. So, guys, I think magdadagdag ako dito. Meron pang space sa isang Balikbayan box. Bahala na si Batman. Kailangan magkasya sila kasi every space matters. Almost done! Thanks for helping, Miss Misha! You are there. Almost done! Just tied it up. And sasara na lang mamaya ni Daddy kasi grabe guys, punong-puno. Putok na putok sila.
Open your mouth. You
I don't like that.
You know what it is?
Sour. Yes! Oh, not yet. I still have to clean it. Guys, I cannot believe na pagkasya ko silang lahat dyan. Oh my God. This is heavy. Misha, can you open it, please? I get locked out. So I got all the cleaning stuff for the car. Okay, bye, baby.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. London, we can go. So let's go, guys. Guys, it's so hot today. It's in 75 right now. And here in Washington, mainit na yun. Lalo na karamihan ng mga bahay dito sa Washington, walang AC unit. So, kapag wala kang AC dito, grabe, mainit. At saka sobrang sikat ng araw ngayon. Thank God, I finished my one task for today. Linis naman. So, ganyan ang buhay dito sa ibang bansa. Kapag day off, you have to finish all your chores, your errands. Hindi naman kasi guys, isang mga katulong dito sa ibang bansa. Kahit may mga kaya dito sa buhay, hindi sila talaga nagkakatulong as much as possible. Sila talaga yung gumagawa sa bahay, naglalaba, luto, linis, everything. Stop muna ako dito sa Asian market kasi guys, nagugutom na talaga ako. Naubos na ata yung energy ko sa kaka-impake kanina ng Balikbayan box. Okay, I got my lunch. I got my poker sweat. So I'm gonna eat here in the car. So I'm here in the car wash.
Erika.
Thank you.
Put this here, okay?
Thank you. So $15 for the car wash. There you go. Look how dirty our car is. Ew, guys. Ang dami niyang mga kahoy, ang dami niyang mga ugh. Guys, pawis na pawis ako. Siguro itutuloy ko na lang sa bahay yung paglilinis ng mga surface. Grabe, ew. Grabe guys. Ang alikabok ng sasakyan namin. Tapos finally, natapos na ang paglilinis ng kotse. Yes, this one.
Watch out for the spikes.
Yep, this one too. Blackberry picking. I think may nakita na akong blackberries. Yeah, but only few. Hihi. Put in the bag. Yeah, they're not ripe yet. Let's go, let's go.
Mama, ready?
Yes, ready, go! I saw it! Dito, dito, dito. They have more here, Daddy. Yes. You're not ripe yet. Try it. Sour? I told you. When you pick blackberries, if it's easy to pick, that would be the sweetest. Are you Superman? Or Superwoman? Wala kaming ma-harvest na blackberries ngayon. So, better luck next time. Look at that! Ang dami dun, oh. Grabe! Ang lalaki! Can you guys see that? Tapos meron din dito. Kaso malayo. Oh no! Yun guys. May nakita ka dito. Sa... Oh my God! Ayun, matamis! Oh, sana walang ahas dito guys. Saabatin ko yan. Ayun, naaray! May mga tinig! May mga tinig! There you go! Wow! So guys, this is what we got. 5 pirasong blackberries.
Just a little.
Just a little bit. Oh no, 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 no.
With Nisha's money.
How much?
No.
So wala kaming na-harvest. We didn't get anything, Daddy. It's time to cook dinner. So guys, it's time to cook dinner, right? Because we didn't get anything today.
Only 5.
Only 5 pieces. So guys, magluluto na lang ako ng dinner since wala naman kaming na-harvest. Korean style na side dish. Tapos magigisa rin ako ng pepper, Japanese pepper. And then I'm making some miso soup. And then I'm gonna fry this croquette. Nagawa ko na siya nung last week at freeze ko lang siya and I'm gonna make this for our dinner. That's it, everyone! Not you, London. So, this is what I cooked, guys, for our dinner. Pepper, croquette, and this is the stir-fried radish, and some miso soup. London, you're not gonna eat these.
But I'm here.
This is human food. London, you're so funny. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye! Paalam!